Another thing as well, which was quite a big achievement, which we actually got earlier on in the year in January. So Silfab, which is one of our prime partners and our preferred partner for panels, which I was talking about then with the 30-year warranty, we actually got installer of the month in the entire country for that brand, not just in the state, in the entire country. So that was a great achievement, and I was on that job, so that's probably why. I'm joking. But like I said, I mean, going back to, you know, other companies and stuff, you know, I don't say, you know, obviously I'm going to say we're the best out there, you know, which I believe we are. And if you do look online, there's a lot of online, you know, presence that we have as far as like reviews. You know, like I said, we do care about our clients, so we're going to, you know, go through the whole process with them to the end and say, you know, how was your experience? Is there any areas we can work on? You know, and then, you know, obviously, you know, we're not perfect, but, you know, you take pointers from people and then we improve on it for the next time. But like I said, I do believe that we are one of the best companies around, easy in the state, and we were one of the first in the state to start with as well.